Looking for the best OBD2 Bluetooth scanner in 2026? In this video, we review the top wireless OBD2 diagnostic tools that help you read and clear engine codes, monitor real-time vehicle data, and save money on repairs. Whether you use Android or iPhone, we've compared the best Bluetooth scanners for performance, compatibility, features, and value. Watch until the end to find the perfect OBD2 scanner for your car. Number 3. The Diagnostic D100 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner is a powerful wireless diagnostic tool that delivers professional-level features in a compact, smartphone-friendly package. Compatible with both iPhone and Android, it offers full system diagnostics, bidirectional control, and lifetime updates, making it an excellent choice for DIY mechanics and professional repair shops. One of the D100's biggest advantages is its bidirectional control, allowing users to perform active tests on components, such as air conditioning systems, windows, doors, throttle bodies, and more without unnecessary disassembly. It also includes 17 essential reset functions like oil reset, EPB, ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration, SAS calibration, TPMS reset, injector coding, and crankshaft sensor relearn. The scanner supports modern CAN-FD communication, smart VIN detection, wireless Bluetooth connectivity, and compatibility with over 10,000 vehicle models. For advanced users, optional J2534 pass-through programming is also available. Customer reviews highlight the scanner's impressive capabilities. One owner used the D100 to diagnose an air conditioning issue on a 2015 Mercedes-Benz and was amazed by the detailed system data it provided. They said it accurately pinpointed the fault, saving significant labor time and avoiding unnecessary parts replacement. Another reviewer praised the scanner's comprehensive diagnostic functions and excellent customer support, which confirmed compatibility for battery registration on their BMW. They described the tool as reliable and said they couldn't be happier with its performance. Overall, the Diagnostic D100 offers outstanding value by combining advanced diagnostics, wireless convenience, and extensive vehicle coverage. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or troubleshooting complex electronic systems, this scan tool provides the features and accuracy needed to diagnose problems quickly and confidently. Number 2. The TopScan Pro is a powerful Bluetooth OBD2 scanner that brings professional-grade vehicle diagnostics to your smartphone. Compatible with both iPhone and Android, this compact scan tool offers dealer-level functionality, making it an excellent choice for DIY mechanics, automotive enthusiasts, and professional technicians alike. What sets the TopScan Pro apart is its bidirectional control, allowing users to perform active tests on components such as cooling fans, fuel injectors, windows, lights, and air conditioning systems to pinpoint faults quickly. It also supports full system diagnostics, reading and clearing trouble codes across the engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and more. With over 13 maintenance reset functions, including oil reset, EPB, BMS, DPF, SAS, and injector coding, plus support for CAN-FD, FCA Auto-Auth, and an AI-powered repair assistant, it offers impressive capabilities for modern vehicles. Users have been highly impressed with its performance. One professional technician praised the scanner for quickly resetting a steering angle sensor after a wheel alignment, noting its fast connection, compact design, and extensive features. They now use it as their go-to tool for everyday diagnostic work. Another reviewer highlighted the easy setup, accurate fault detection, and detailed live data, saying it successfully identified communication issues that other scanners had missed. They also appreciated the intuitive app and the time and money it saved during repairs. Overall, the TopScan Pro delivers exceptional value by combining advanced diagnostics, wireless convenience, and intelligent repair assistance into a compact package. Whether you're maintaining your own vehicle or working in a professional shop, it's an outstanding scan tool that offers capabilities typically found in far more expensive equipment. Number 1. The OBD-Link MX Plus OBD2 Bluetooth scanner is one of the best wireless diagnostic tools available in 2026, offering professional-grade vehicle diagnostics for iPhone, Android, and Windows users. Designed with broad compatibility, it works seamlessly with popular apps like FORScan, Torque, Bimmercode, Dash Command, Alpha OBD, and Carista, making it an excellent choice for both DIY mechanics and automotive enthusiasts. One of the MX Plus's biggest strengths is its enhanced OEM support for Ford, GM, Mazda, Nissan, Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, Kia, and more. Beyond simply reading and clearing check engine codes, it provides access to advanced systems like ABS, SRS, and TPMS, delivering more detailed vehicle information than many standard OBD2 scanners. Built-in overvoltage protection, battery drain prevention, and free firmware updates add long-term reliability and value. Real-world users consistently praise its performance. One reviewer successfully paired it with FORScan Lite on an iPhone 14 Pro to diagnose and clear a fault on a 2014 Ford Raptor, restoring the vehicle's stop and turn lights while avoiding an expensive dealership visit. Another Mercedes owner highlighted its highly accurate live dashboard readings, including speed, temperature, fuel economy, and impressive performance tracking such as 0 to 60 miles per hour and quarter-mile times. Overall, the OBD Link MX Plus delivers fast Bluetooth connectivity, accurate diagnostics, advanced features, and exceptional compatibility, making it a top recommendation for anyone seeking a reliable, feature-rich OBD2 Bluetooth scanner. Thanks for watching our review of the best OBD2 Bluetooth scanners in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect wireless diagnostic tool for your vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews, buying guides, and the latest automotive gadgets. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Let us know in the comments which OBD2 Bluetooth scanner is your favorite, or if you've used any of the models featured today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.